Today, we will use the database NoveList in order to find read-alikes. That means we can use books and authors you already like in order to find new things to read. In the center of the screen, we can see a basic version of what you can find all over the site. Here, we see 3 best-selling titles, and under each, 3 recommended titles for fans of those books. If we move the mouse over J.K. Rowling's The Casual Vacancy, we get a short description of what the book is about. Then, if we click on one of the suggested titles below, we get a description of what these 2 books have in common. If you'd like to browse the read-alike suggestions given on NoveList, you can click on the Author Read-alikes link on the right-hand side of the page. This link takes you to a list of authors, which you can sort or browse. Let's say you're interested in finding other books like Agatha Christie's. In that case, you could click on her name. This takes us to a read-alikes article about Agatha Christie. You can see a short description of her work at the top, followed by a list of 4 to 6 read-alikes, each with short descriptions of how these books are similar to Agatha Christie's. Perhaps you have an author in mind that you'd like to search for. If you just finished Waiting to Exhale and want to find more books like it, you can search by author for Terry McMillan in the search bar at the top of the screen. This takes us to a page that gives us a short description of Terry McMillan's work and displays a list of her books. If we click here on the Lists and Articles tab, we can find out if there is a read-alikes article about Terry's work. And here we can see that the article does exist, so we can click on the link. And here we are at Terry McMillan's read-alikes page. Again, you can see the description at the top, followed by the read. If you are interested in finding out more about one of the authors, you can click on their name, like Kimberla Lawson Roby, and that leads us to a page listing Kimberla Lawson Roby's works. Let's say you just finished a recent work by an author who has not written very many books. We could try typing Lori Frankel's name into the search bar. And here we are at a list of Lori Frankel's works. Here you can see that there is no tab for lists and articles, meaning that there is no read-alike article for Lori's work. Instead, under the title Goodbye for Now, we can click on the Author Read-alikes link. This leads us to a page of read-alikes suggested by NoveList users with very brief descriptions of the similarities. You can navigate back by clicking back at the very top of the page. And you can always navigate to the home page by clicking on the NoveList logo in the top left-hand corner. I hope this video helps you navigate NoveList and find new interesting books to read.